Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you the lifting or jacking points. This video will apply to Jeep Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so right now I'm at the front left wheel and I will get under the vehicle to show you. I will turn on the flash on my phone. So there will be a small cut-off area here in this plastic cover, you see? And on top of this area will be like a small triangle, like an arrow. And this is where you're supposed to leave this vehicle, right here, okay? And you will place your jack onto this thin rail in this cutoff area, so it's pretty nicely marked. Now I will show you on the back end of the vehicle. Okay, now I'm on the driver rear end near the rear wheel, and same thing, if you get under the vehicle you will find the cutoff area right here. You will find this same triangle arrow and you will get this thin rail right here, you see, and you will place your jack just here. This is your rear lift or jack point. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything, and if you follow these instructions you should be good and you will not do any damage to the vehicle's undercarriage. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.